So in this video, I'll show you how to connect LM Studio to VS Code, allowing you to run and interact with local AI models for coding assistance, coding generation, debugging, as well as doing more of codes. So let's get started. So first, you have to download and install LM Studio. So if you haven't downloaded it, I'll link a video on the description below and learn how to download and install LM Studio. So first, let's open LM Studio. Here it is. And I've recently downloaded an AI model to run on my LM Studio, which is Gemma 4. Gemma 4. I'm running Gemma 4 in my LM Studio. So you need first to run the LM Studio AI model. So come to the developer section and make sure that it's running. So if this option is disabled, make sure to enable it. So from there, so it's running on this local host. So you can minimize. So let's open our VirtualBox as well. If you haven't downloaded and installed VirtualBox, I'll leave a link in the description below to learn how to download and install VirtualBox. So first step, when you open the VS Code, make sure to download an extension called Continue Open Source AI Agent. So on your left sidebar, click extensions. From here, we'll be searching Continue. So click Continue. So you'll be downloading Continue Open Source AI Code Agent. So click Install. Click Trust Publisher and install. So wait for the extension to be installed. So the download of the extension is complete. You can see it here. Click it. So from here, you can see that you can select a model. Click Select Model and click Add Chat Model. So here you have to select the provider. So click here and our provider is LM Studio. So scroll down and select LM Studio. So install provider. So we have already LM Studio is already installed on our system. So leave it there. And the model is auto detect. So click connect. So from here you can see the provider is LM Studio, auto detect, the local host, the same one running on our LM Studio. And you can see the model has already been added in our VS Code. So you can use the model in debugging as well as creating code. And that's how to basically add an LM Studio AI model in VS Code. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.